If you would have asked me 10 years ago about riding around the world on a motorcycle, I would have laughed at you. Yet here I am. I have sold everything I own, and this is my story. Rue is getting ready for her first boat ride. I don't know if you can see it, but we're going to that island over there. Isla de Fuerte. It'll be interesting to see how she reacts. We're just having a little problem with the motor. What do you think, Rue? Hunt for Rue, who still thinks that she has to eat out of garbage bins. Rue, what are you doing? Hey? What are you doing? What are you doing? Well, we're not off to a good start this morning. More rain. And freaking mud. You don't care. All you know, take this nice and slow. That you're faking. You don't know. You don't care. We're all having fun, bathing in the sun. We're all building castles, castles in the sun. We're having fun, we're having fun. Let's go this way. You don't know what is it. This is a mistake. Please don't let it be a mistake. It's not fuck. No, I can get through here. Hang on, Rue. It's darling that we're faking. You don't know. It's not fake. We're all having fun. And we're all go through this. Oh God, I hope it's not deep. We're having fun. We're having fun. This is crazy. Okay. It might be okay for a little bit. Maybe. Look up, Tracy. Okay, I'm taking this side. Oh my God, do I dare see something called pavement there? Woo! Oh, good girl, Rue. We did it, I think. been through this fucking last time already. What? It's okay, girl. Buenos días.
¿Cómo va ese viaje?
Bien, gracias.
Sí. Ah, qué bueno, mire, de bonito.
Sí, I was in Monitos. Hoy, la ceja, pero en dos días. Sí, es mucho para mi perro.
¿De dónde viene con el perro?
Sí,
¿Dónde lo encontró?
sí, mi perro es colombiana.
Ah,
¿Rescada? ¿Rescada? Sí.
¿y hacia dónde se dirige?
Repita, sorry.
Se dirige hacia dónde va para abajo.
La ceja.
Ah, bueno. Vaya con Dios.
Dios. Gracias. Sorry. Muchas gracias. Chao, buen día. So today is a new day. Yesterday was a rough one. So I've got her actually really high up on the bike and I can feel her moving around, but she was a little easier to get in this morning. I don't think this is the safest method. Today we're only going to ride about 2 hours and 15 minutes. I'm meeting up with Juan in a town called Valdiva, I believe it is. He's going to help me figure out something with the box. This is amazing person. They've helped me, him and his girlfriend Angela have helped me out so much. It's unbelievable. But yeah, I can really feel her looking around and moving around in here. Hopefully she'll settle down, but we're just gonna go nice and slow for now.
It's the coldest hand that run down this land where the ocean lands.
Good girl,
It's
we're almost ready.
Yes. The
Yes.
damn smallest crowd,
Tranquila.
but the hearts break loud.
Okay, traffic is getting a lot busier because it's a holiday Monday. You okay, girl? Okay. Let's go.
Going down for love and love is free. Stick with me and I will guarantee you're never lost among the crowd with me. Never lost among the crowd with me. Everywhere you go I'll be. Anywhere you go I'll see. You're never lost among the crowd with me. It's a further
I'm
song.
back into the mountain twisties and I'm really nervous with the dog now
It's a
because
pulse and shove.
I'm top heavy with her and yeah, she moves the wrong way when I'm going into a corner.
The hero's been wide.
We're half an hour away from where I want to go and I'm hoping it's a pet-friendly hotel. So, taking it slow.
Push you back towards the land and sea. They're going down for love and love is free. Stick with me and I will guarantee you're never lost among the
Oh my goodness. I don't know what to do here. I'm not really. The military is directing the traffic. What's that? Yeah, no. No, Ru. We'll wait here in the shade. Traffic jam. Woo, here comes a cow running up behind. Roo, no, Roo, no, 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 no. Roo, no. Roo, no. No. No, no, no. Roo, no. 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 Tranquila. Fuck. You're gonna knock us over. Ah. Roo, no. No, 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 no. So Juan and I met here in Valdivia yesterday. He is helping me with one of my bags and my pelican case we took off, so I can safely get Roo here through the mountains, the twisties, yeah, she was up too high yesterday. Today she's down a little lower, and we're gonna hopefully make the last 5-6 hours to Medellin. It's gonna take longer, of course, because I now have a dog.
It's the coldest hand that run down this land.
I want to wrap her up. My fingers are cold, so.
It's the tallest sound.
Hang on, I'm gonna wrap you up there, Missy.
But the hearts break loud. Far from ever feeling lost with me. I'll push you back towards the land and sea. They're going down for love, and love is free.
What's that?
Stick with me and I will guarantee.
Yeah, I know, she hangs over. Next time we stop for lunch, I'm gonna move this a bit closer so she can rest right here.
Never lost among the crowd with me. Everywhere you go, I'll be. Anywhere you go, I'll see. You're never lost among the crowd with me.
Oh my god. Oh no, Rue's gonna go freaking nuts.
Gone done for love. It's a pulse and shove.
Woo.
It's a sharpest
Oh, there's Moss.
The here goes Bill White. Where the desperate lie. Far from ever feeling lost with me.
Oh, tranquila, tranquila.
Poor Rue. Her first night in the mountains, she was freezing. And I know her carrier is crude, but I had to work with what I had. And it worked. We're working on her leading skills. And this poor dog has been put through so much in the time I've had her. But she seems to be really happy here in Laseja at the farm. By the way, that was my chair. And she's afraid of escalators. We have a lot of training and work ahead of us. She is a proud hole digger, even though no one else likes it. And yeah, I just can't give her up. So it's me and Rue. Thank you for getting through another one of my videos. If you liked it, please give it that thumbs up and hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. Rue is doing really well. She's been in an intense training school for 4 weeks. This is her last week. I pick her up tomorrow and she has her final test. I haven't really had her out on the bike a lot over the last 3 weeks because sadly I have a hernia. I really have to stop dropping my bike and trying to pick it up. But I am hoping to get some surgery here in Colombia. But I think it's the same all over the world. The hospitals are full of COVID patients, and surgeries like mine, I guess, would be an elective right now because I'm in no pain. It's not an emergency. I don't think I'm going to be able to get it done anytime soon. But the good news down here is that the borders in South America are all starting to open up this fall. I think by January 1st, everything's going to be open. And I'm talking about the land borders. The air borders have been open for quite some time. So my plan is I'm still good here in Colombia till the end of December. I'm hoping to get back to Canada maybe the end of November. And again, poor Rue, I'm going to be sticking her on a plane to take her with me. And then when I come back in January, they'll give me another 6 months here. And I can just slowly start crossing the borders and get on the road and visit some different countries. I love, love, love Colombia, and I have been so lucky to spend as much time here as I have. So I've got more video I have to go through, and I will definitely get that done. So thanks again, and we'll see you next time.